Guys, welcome back to the tutorial, and in today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to block pop-ups in Google Chrome. Now guys, whenever you're getting those pop-ups for advertisement from your browser, especially within Google Chrome, it can be super annoying, especially if it's something that you don't need, right? And I'm going to show you how to get rid of those annoying pop-ups that come in from your Google Chrome. So what you want to do guys, just simply go ahead and open up your Google Chrome. Right now, once you're there guys, go ahead and click on the three dots on the top right hand side, and then you want to go ahead and click on settings. Now once you're inside settings, go ahead and click privacy and security on the left hand side, and then you want to go ahead and click on site settings. Now once you're inside site settings guys, you want to scroll down to where it says notification, and you want to click on that notifications there. Now here within notifications, you will see the different websites that you have allowed for notifications, right? So if you have some websites there, these will allow you to get some pop-ups. So if you don't want something, you can just simply go ahead and click on the three dots and click on remove, right? Click on the three dots and click on remove. So for example, this goat mode, I have no idea what that is, so I'm going to simply click on remove, right? Easy as that. Now, in case you want to turn off this entirely, you can simply go ahead and click on don't allow sites to send notification. If you click on this, that means that you will not get any notification whatsoever. So you can do that as well. If you would like to allow some notifications, then you can simply go ahead and click on it, or you can even choose the option that says use quieter messaging, right? So very easy stuff there, and you get the description to see which one of the options you want to choose best. But if you want to turn off this entirely, just simply click on don't allow site to send notifications, right? Now you want to also go back guys, and you want to scroll down to where it says pop-up and redirects, right? So you want to click on that guys, and you want to go ahead and ensure that if you don't want any pop-up whatsoever, you simply click on don't allow site to send pop-ups or use redirect. So for me, as you can see here, I have it turned off as I don't want this, right? But in case you want to add some websites for as an exception, for example, let's say you want to add Google as an exception, you can just simply go ahead and get the Google URL. You want to come back here and you can add that exception. So here it says allow to send pop-ups and use redirects. You can add that website link there, or whichever website that you want. Simple click on add, and this will be the website that will be allowed. So in spite of having it says don't allow site to send pop-ups and redirects, in spite of having this turned off, whichever website that you will add here will be for an exception and will be the only one that you will have to use that pop-up and redirects, right? So, and again, if you want to delete something, you simply go ahead and click on remove, and that's all there is to it guys. Very easy and very simple. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Anjo, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.